Yes, you heard it right.
Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. नमस्कार.
Namaste.
नमस्कारा.
Vanakkam.
खुश आमदीद.
Assalamu alaikum.
सोच से खाल.
Nigandharige vandanam.
जय स्वामीनारायण.
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय जिनेंद्र.
मैं इस्माइल बंदों को बोलते या अलीपता.
मौल अलीपता बोलते हुए सारे फीजिए बंदर बोलेंगे निस्सा बलबरजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा.
And of course myself आपकी प्यारी डार्लिंग दुलारी फालतू रानी बंदू जाने.
अरे बच्चन आज हम लोग हिसाब किताब ले रहे हैं बच्चन. We are taking stock of 2021. Why? Because we can. Because right now बच्चन आधा साल खत्म होने को आया फालतू रानी. Can you imagine?
Oh my goodness.
5th month है चालू फालतू रानी.
5th month है चालू. हर month चालू है.
मई खत्म होने वाला है ऑलरेडी.
नहीं आलतू बाबा मैं 18th हो गया रे.
Time to take stock. देखो बच्चन 2020 was okay a wash for us.
Oh my god, we're coming half a year over.
Exactly. What do you think I was trying to tell you right now? That's why we should take stock, Bharjan. People who actually had deadlines yesterday, I hope you finished that tax filing and everything and filed extensions and everything, right? नहीं किया? No. Yeah. I hope you did it, Bharjan, because yesterday was the last day for you guys to file all those things, Bharjan.
Yeah.
तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. आज taking मतलब taking stock का मतलब है कि we actually going to say देखो 2020 में काफी सारे फिल्में थी जो रिलीज होने वाली थी.
हाँ?
एंड कोविड की वजह से उसको पुश किया गया.
पुश किया गया. अभी भी पुश होता जा रहा है. माय गुडनेस. कितने आलतू बाबा कितने ऐसे मूवीज पुश हो गए हैं. सम ऑफ द मूवीज आई रियली वाज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. सारे के सारे पुश हो गए हैं और जो निकल रहे हैं वो ऐसे सैरिडॉन वाले मूवीज होते हैं. सीरियसली कैसे
तो
मूवीज.
ये सैरिडॉन बात है जैसे निकल रहे हैं अच्छी निकल नहीं रहे बोल रही तू. अरे बच्चे लेट मी टेल यू आपको
दिमाग को निगल रहे हैं वो लोग.
निगल रहे तो हैं ही. यस पाल्तोनी एग्री विद यू ऑन दैट. देखो 2021 में ना द मूवीज व्हिच केम आउट नन ऑफ देम आर समथिंग टू रियली राइट होम अबाउट. Seriously, it's not worth going and watching in movies anyways. Theater में जाना for instance. Kuri number 1. Oh my god. What a flop movie of Varun Dhawan. Varun Dhawan should stop acting in his dad's productions. He can't do it, of course. The Ghar Ki Murgi Dal Barabar, of course. But Sara Ali Khan should not make those kind of mistakes. Which Karishma Kapoor did.
Yeah, exactly.
Please pick the movies wisely, Sara Ali Khan. Do what Kareena Kapoor did. You know, I mean, she did pick the good movies, did she?
What, man?
Even Kareena Kapoor didn't pick. Her stepmom did not pick any good movies, right? For herself.
Who's stepmom?
Kareena Kapoor is Sara Ali Khan's stepmom, right?
Is she? No, I don't think so. She doesn't call her stepmom or anything. She's not her stepmom. She's her dad's wife. That's all. Yeah.
Complicated situation with the jet.
Yeah.
But does not matter. Today we're not talking about that. We're taking stock about the movies, not about the personal lives. वो आएगा. हमारे फाल्तोनी prepare करिए आप लोगों के लिए एकदम tinsel town trash talk. And why not फाल्तोनी? We can actually bring up a little bit of trash talk in today's show also because it happens
I
on
don't
Tuesday.
have trash talk.
But when you talk is always trash anyways, right?
I'm going to be trashing some movies today. One movie specifically.
Today is tinsel town trash talk.
Trash the movie maker. Seriously.
Yes, today, Fadari, let's start with the movie. Like, आज 2021 में जो release हुआ था films, do people remember at all? Do you think people actually pay attention to those things?
2021. See, Bandijan, we're actually starved. I'm starved for some good movies. Like, total akha Hindi films, watching it on the big silver screen kind of thing. Going into the movie theater and watching it. I'm really starved for some good films. I'm not kidding you. I'd love to see a nice, big, beautiful Bollywood romance on screen. Or for that matter, like, a nice action movie like Uri or something like that.
Uri.
Like, which is like or an espionage movie. Like, I know you guys probably never watched it. Say Phantom Films ka. वो कौन सा movie था वो? Phantom. Yeah, Kabir Khan ka वो movie. I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't have watched it also. So or some kind of a nice biopic. Like a movie, I'm really eager to watch Talaivi. I haven't seen that movie. Or that Gangubai Kathiawadi. I don't think Alia Bhatt will do justice to it. I'm really starved for some good movies. Because all the movies that have come out this year, That's all I can say, Brinjal.
Yeah, it went
nothing
for the
else to
matter
say.
that song, the movie which actually was totally touted to be a great movie of, what's her name? Sridevi's daughter's name.
Huh.
Ruhi. Even that didn't do good, dude.
Did it come out?
No.
Oh, I didn't add Ruhi's songs to our list. Let's play that
Ruhi
also
song, there were a couple of good songs, but the movie did not do well. Now you might say,
it's not done well, is it? I didn't know that, Altu Baba.
didn't you tell me it was not nice and all?
Rajkumar
Rao's
no,
film.
I never said anything that.
Really?
I never said that. I didn't say that it was not a. The movie didn't do well. मैंने कभी नहीं बताया.
तू बता नहीं?
मैंने देखा ही नहीं. वो इंडिया में रिलीज हुआ. As far as I heard,
Yeah, but here-
इंडिया में the theaters were full.
Wait.
And उसके बाद कोविड का बहुत ही बुरी तरह से लगी ना इंडिया को.
Correct, वो भी है.
तो that's
Yeah, but
unfortunate.
Badujan, मार्च में हमने देखा एक और सरदर्द वाला फिल्म, मुंबई सागा. No. No, not happening.
Okay, Altu Baba, you can't like just randomly shoot out things. Go to the songs and play the songs for bandus and talk a little bit about the movie.
Okay. How about we start? Actually, जनवरी में एक फिल्म आई थी, right? काफी सारी फिल्में आए थे जनवरी में. मैडम चीफ मिनिस्टर बोल के फिल्म आई थी.
क्या?
You know about that?
No, I didn't know
Richa
that.
Chadda's movie.
No.
You didn't know that?
No.
Okay, so that was actually a total wash. Nobody actually watched it also. Ranga Parva made one more 12 बज गया उसका total.
Huh.
फिल्म का नाम ही 12 o'clock था.
Let me tell you, Ram Gopal Verma for me is equivalent to, that's the blue film porn industry for me.
No.
I completely equate him to
that goes to Ekta Kapoor. Forget it.
No, for
I'm
me,
sorry.
Ram Gopal Verma has, I think the guy has lost his.
Okay, but if you look at the big budget films जो भी होते हैं ना बड़े फिल्मों का जब बातें होती है ना तो I don't think he falls in the category. And January and February was a slow time for all these kind of movies.
Yes.
Right? But there was one particular movie which was touted to be very what should I say a very critically acclaimed movie आई. It actually was a production of a film by Salman Khan Films, by the way.
हाँ.
उस फिल्म का कोई गाने तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
I think there might be a song. I'll play the song anyways for Bajan. But the thing is, I felt the movie should not have been released in the month of Jan of this year.
Huh.
Because people would not have had a chance to watch it. You know which movie I'm talking about?
Which movie?
There was a movie called Kagas.
Oh.
Did you know about that?
No.
Okay, movie Kagas, starring the wonderful Satish Kaushik. No, Satish Kaushik movie. Yeah, it was Satish Kaushik movie, but Pankaj Tripaঠি's movie.
I have no idea, Altu Baba. If you have information about it, please do share. I had no idea that this movie came out. Or
Okay, this
was it like a OTT release?
It ended up being OTT release kind of thing because theaters are not taking it, right?
Huh.
Because this movie is a very interesting movie. It's actually a Salman Khan film's production, right? This actually had the guy Pankaj Tripathi. That guy, when he did that last year he did a movie which was a big hit, no man, Gunjan Saxena.
Huh.
The father role.
Correct.
Pankaj Tripathi.
Yeah, of course.
उसका film है. ये क्या है ना कि एक बंदा जो है ना, on paper he's dead, but he's alive.
In this movie, Kagas. So Kagas is the patri that says that he is you're alive or dead based on a. Oh my God! This reminds me of a Sandra Bullock movie. What was that? Oh God! It came out so long ago. 1997 में एक movie आई थी.
Yeah, but this particular movie talks about in India how it is, right? People will start believing the paper as opposed to actually man standing and saying, "Hey, I'm alive."
At that time, that situation was not there in India. Nowadays, because of the Aadhaar card and all that stuff, that situation has come up now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
You don't exist as a person, because that is true even when if somebody wipes out. That movie is that, I think it's loosely based on the Sandra Bullock movie that I'd seen. I forgot what it was. It was called Net something.
There's a song called Jug Jig Jio for the movie Falgani. Kagas.
एक नया इम्तिहान है अभी चल गिर के उठ जा तू फिर से जुट जा दिन के जोड़ के बना पुल उस पार जा जुग जुग जियो रे राजा जुग जुग जियो रे राजा जुग जुग जियो रे भैया रे
You know what is really sad about this kind of movies? That I'll tell you, it's a very nice movie. Okay, movie is the song, of course, composed by Rahul Jain, New People, right? Satish Kaushik, मालूम है देखो, the wonderful comedian and movie writer, lyricist Satish Kaushik, जो है ना क्या पाजी है, remember those things? Those with that so his movie, Salman Khan production. Salman Khan wouldn't come and talk about this movie, but he'll go promote his brother-in-law's movie. Big
Really?
time. He'll even sing a song in the movie.
Who's the brother-in-law?
The guy, Arpita Khan's husband.
Arpita Khan. Oh, what's his name?
The guy who does that.
Yeah. What's his name, man?
Chogada, tada, dung, dung, tada, dung, dung. That guy.
Okay.
Okay, whatever. So what I'm trying to say is, and he'll go Aditya Panchali's son's movie he'll promote, but he'll promote his own film production,
Correct.
which is a good story about a particular person's struggle in life. Because it's a common man's life.
This is a Salman Khan production, is it?
Kenny Kelly, Salman Khan.
Well, Ayush Sharma, correct. Thank you very much, Meenakshi
You're
ji.
welcome.
Oh, Meenakshi Sharma, Ayush Sharma. Oh, आपकी कोई connection है क्या, Meenakshi ji?
क्यों?
No. She'll definitely know because she's a huge Sallu Miya fan, right?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Meenakshi ji, आपके सल्लू के बारे में बात करा रहा है. Well, okay, that particular movie, Kaagaz, I don't know how many people saw it, but हो गया, खत्म हो गया. January आया, January गया भी, right? बाद में, I think nothing much to talk about. Most of the releases were pretty much ending up in OTT only, not in theaters, because of the fact that COVID is going on. But in the month of February, Faltwani, एक और गाना आया, एक और film आया. Well, actually, काफी सारे फिल्में आए, लेकिन चले भी गए. Yeah, because nothing. Parineeti Chopra's Girl on the Train had released in February, correct? It became OTT release. It was a Reliance production, though.
Was it a good movie? By the way, I want to ask Bandhus. Was it a good movie? If
didn't
you
see
have
it.
seen some of these movies, call in.
Yeah.
Today we want to hear from you, Bandhujan. Call in and tell us whether it's worth watching. Is it on an OTT release? Is it not? We would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts? आपके reviews क्या है? आप हमें call करके बता सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Right here on the Pam Pam Show, which
Yeah.
is airing right now on Radio T Hotties on 13:10 a.m. and also 92.9 FM. I forgot where we are.
Well, okay, the interesting thing, Faltwani, is 2021 actually saw a good number of movies of female-oriented. Like, for instance, the Nail Polish movie of Arjun Rampal. Nail Polish.
I haven't seen it.
Neither have I seen it. And then there was also a movie, female-oriented kind of movies. And there also was a movie called Madam Chief Minister, which starred Richa Chadda.
Is that a real-life story type of thing?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about these movies.
Apparently
But what I'm trying to tell you is, देखो January में 2 फिल्म आ गए. February में एक कुछ और. February में तो छोड़ो, बावरी छोरी एक फिल्म. And there was a movie called Sakshi again. And then there was a movie called, in the month of February itself, called The Girl on the Train.
Oh, wow.
देखा झट से पहला 2 महीने में we had 5 movies were female oriented. They've been listening to our shows Faltwani all of COVID time. So nice, I like it. But the thing is, why aren't the theaters? See, why is that they are able to make or release the movies? Probably they shot the movies last year and release would have happened this year, right? That's what happens sometimes, right?
Maybe,
Marketing will take some time. Like for instance, Suryavamsham was supposed to release last year, did not release at all.
It's not released.
He decided not to release it. What's his name? Rohit Shetty. He's going to release it this year because otherwise he can't convert black to white, right?
But isn't it also a grazing goat, this thing? It doesn't Akshay Kumar also have a stake in the movie? Because Akshay Kumar has pushed out all his releases pretty much.
Of course, because of this one, right?
In fact, there's a movie that was supposed to be released in January called Bell Bottom.
हाँ, वो push out
And
लगा ना?
वो last year release होना था, उसको push कर दिया, January के लिए push कर दिया, फिर January से April हुआ, April से अभी June बोल रहे हैं.
Bell Bottom से पहले Suryavamshi was ready.
Yeah, Suryavamshi is...
That it didn't release at all, right? So
not
obviously...
Suryavanshi.
Sorry, whatever that...
Yeah.
That Rohit Shetty film which actually has all the 3 cops.
I'm waiting for that movie day.
Why day?
Because I like the way they led to Suryavanshi at the end of Simba.
Yeah, well,
I really like
you know what it's going to be? It's going to be a letdown finally.
No, it won't be.
Because I don't like anymore...
No.
I don't like Ranveer Singh, nor do I like, Akshay Kumar anymore.
I like Ranveer Singh, don't say anything about him. And I like Akshay Kumar too.
Whatever.
Don't say anything about
Ajay Devgan is still okay.
No.
Okay, then coming back to the thing, Faltwani.
Huh.
Girl on the Train, we don't know anything about the particular movie.
Were there songs, good songs in the movie or not?
I don't know.
Girl on the Train. What is the movie about? Does anybody know? Meenakshi ji, आप कुछ लिख रही हैं Facebook पे, जरा यहाँ पे call.
How do you know she's writing something on Facebook?
She's writing.
What is she writing?
Oh, by the way, Madam Chief Minister is based on Mayawati's story.
Oh my God, goodness gracious, really?
She says it's like no, we haven't watched any of these movies, Deepa. We watched some movies which we will definitely talk about, but then talk. We will give you enough talk.
Hey, but one thing is there, Fatwari. We talked about the Spike Lee movie being released, supposed to be released in March. We did not go watch the movie and all. It did come here, suppose, or was it released only OTT? I don't remember. मार्च में आई ये फिल्म.
कौन सी वाली?
खतरनाक भूतनाथ फिल्म called रूही बड़जान पनघट. राजकुमार राव, जानवी कपूर एंड वरुण शर्मा. Fun. But of course, this movie had a few comical moments in it because of Varun Sharma, whatever. That's pretty much standard. Jigar Saria's composition and lyrics by Amitabh Bhattacharya.
पनघट पे घट घट करके पीती रहती सावरिया बिन सजना क्यों जीती रहती पनघट पे घट घट करके पीती रहती सावरिया बिन सजना क्यों जीती रहती पटती पटनते क्यों तो इतना बनते घना एटीट्यूड घमंडी पर बनेगी तू मेरी बंदी.
In the voice of Aziz Khan, Divya Kumar, Melody. गाने इसमें एक दो अच्छे थे, एक दो कच्चे थे और बाकी सब बच्चे थे. That's what I said, Fatwari. What did you say?
बच्चे बोला.
बच्चे थे.
अच्छा ठीक है आगे बढ़ा.
अच्छा बाद में इसमें तो काफी सारे फिल्मों मतलब it released I think in OTT afterwards also.
ये सभी मूवीज हमारे मीनाक्षी जी ने देख लिए हैं.
आपने रूही
कॉल करो ना मीनाक्षी जी.
काहे नहीं कॉल करते हो?
हाँ, ओ सभी
गुस्सा है क्या आप दीपा से? अरे दीपा पे गुस्सा है तो दीपा को बात मत करो, हमसे बात करो. कॉल करो यहाँ पे.
दीपा पे क्यों गुस्सा होगी वो?
मैं क्या मालूम, दीपा से गुस्सा होंगी ना आपको. उनका बीच में होता है तो यार ऐसे बहनों में ऐसे होती रहती है ऑलवेज.
अच्छा.
नंबर टू कॉल 408 9124749. So far I have watched all the movies you discussed. Very good. So
we want to hear from you. Come on.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Call here 408 9124749. 4089122479. क्या कर रही है?
I was trying to figure out which way to go. 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479. इस नंबर पे आपको कॉल करना है और यहाँ पे हमारे साथ बात करना है और बताना है how the movies are. Deepa will not watch Girl on the Train because she doesn't like Parineeti Chopra. She'll not watch Ruhi because she doesn't like Janhvi Kapoor. She'll not watch whatever movie because she doesn't like somebody else.
Oh really?
Yeah, like she's like, I'm not a fan, so I won't watch it. So.
Oh my goodness. Okay, how about this next song? For
no, but Meenakshi ji, it's time for you to call. Yeah, come on, we want to hear from you. कुछ भी या आप ना वहाँ पे लिख रहे हो. क्या आप जानते हो हमारे रेडियो पे जो लिसनर्स हैं काफी सारे लोगों के पास फेसबुक नहीं है. इनफैक्ट हमारे जो बहुत ही निकट में हमारे जो बंधु हैं और एलाय हैं वो खुद फेसबुक पे नहीं है. वो फेक बुक बुलाते हैं उसको. हमारे प्रणब जी वो भी नहीं है. तो अगर आप
फेसबुक नहीं है फेसबुक पे
है, तू है रैंडम. तो जो
मैं हूँ लेकिन नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ उस पे.
तो इसीलिए हम लोग बोल रहे हैं फेसबुक पे जो लिखना है लिख तो सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो कॉल करके बताए तो बाकी सारे लोग जो फेसबुक पे नहीं है, जो हमारे कुछ बुजुर्ग लोग हैं जो सुन रहे होंगे जिनके पास फेसबुक नहीं है,
बुजुर्ग लोग,
हाँ सीनियर्स वरिष्ठ,
अरे वरिष्ठ लोगों के पास ही होता है ऐसे वरिष्ठ वर्ड्स। हेलो नमस्कार, आपका हर साथ पैम पैम में, हूँ दिस, हेलो
हाय पैम।
हाय मीनाक्षी जी, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया एकदम। आप जबरदस्ती मेरी और दीपा की लड़ाई करा रहे हो?
अरे वाह, मैं कहाँ से? व्हाट? सीरियसली?
हमारी कोई लड़ाई नहीं हुई।
अरे
हमारा
लड़ाई
प्यार कभी कम नहीं होगा।
नहीं मेरे को क्या मालूम, मैं तो बोला अरे बहनों के पीछे होता है ना ऑलवेज, आई डोंट नो, दैट्स व्हाट आई हर्ड अबाउट ऑल द बैंड्स, राइट?
मेरे बात अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ।
अरे डोंट वरी, हुआ तो मुझे याद कर लेना, ऑटोमेटिक निकल जाएगा। यू विल हैव अ कॉमन एनिमी टू hate at time. You know what is fine that people come together when they have to hate somebody. Have you noticed that?
What nonsense.
Solidarity and
that's a strong statement to say I hate somebody.
Oh my God, you won't believe it, Fazadi. Don't you think so? Yeah, she agrees. See, she said हाँ.
Now what? I agree with Meenakshi. It takes a lot. My dad used to say that don't say you hate somebody. It takes a lot of energy and a lot of
exactly
very intense emotion. So
that's why I say I love you all.
Yeah, that's why we always say we love you all. हमारा किसी से hate और don't like वाला सिस्टम नहीं है, सबको पसंद करते हैं।
लेकिन आप तो ऐसे फिल्म देखे हो जो दीपा कभी नहीं देखेगी ना।
हाँ, तो आप सबसे पहले बताओ, आपने गर्ल ऑन द ट्रेन देखा?
हाँ, मैंने गर्ल ऑन द ट्रेन देखा।
हाँ, मैंने भी मैंने गर्ल्स ऑन द ट्रेन देखा।
क्या गर्ल्स ऑन द ट्रेन? ऐसे पिक्चर्स ना हम लोग डिस्कस नहीं करते ऑन एयर।
अरे एनजीसी में जब गया था, ट्रेन में बड़े भरे पड़े थे गर्ल्स ऑन ट्रेन।
Whatever.
Yeah, the whole female division.
पिक्चर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं,
पिक्चर की बात कर, ऐसा बोलना पॉइंट पे ना, बात भी सही में भटकते हैं।
देखिए, मैं आपकी तरह मूवी का एनालिसिस नहीं कर सकती, वो चश्मा पहन के मैं मूवीज नहीं देखती हूँ। मुझे कोई मूवी देखनी होती है और मैं मूवी देख लेती हूँ।
Oh my God,
तो मुझे ठीक ठाक लगी। ठीक है, गर्ल ऑन द ट्रेन ठीक ठाक लगी।
क्या जॉनर थी? मतलब रोमांटिक था, ड्रामा था, या एक्शन था, या सस्पेंस था?
ड्रामा प्लस सस्पेंस था, थोड़ा सस्पेंस क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की गई है। मर्डर मिस्ट्री है कि कौन मर्डर्स कर रहा है, तो हाउ दे फ्रेम परिणीति चोपड़ा इन इट एंड देन एट द एंड दे केम टू नो कि किसी और ने ही किया था ये।
तो परिणीति ने कुछ नहीं किया था?
हाँ, वैसे करती क्या?
नहीं, उसने कुछ नहीं किया था।
वाह क्या ओपन स्टेटमेंट।
ऐसी ड्रग्स दी गई थी कि वो फॉर अ सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, लाइक फॉर 2-3 आवर्स का पूरा ट्रेन में क्या होता है वो भूल जाती है।
अबे सस्पेंस एंटी क्लाइमैक्स कर दिया मेरे को।
हाँ, एट द एंड शी इज वेरी इनोसेंट बोलते हैं, वो कुछ नहीं किया उसने।
अच्छा,
आपने पूरा सस्पेंस बोल दिया आपने यार। मीनाक्षी जी, व्हाट इज दिस? तभी कोई नहीं देखेगा अभी फिल्म उसको।
ओह अच्छा, सॉरी। नो सॉरी, बताना भी नहीं आता कि कैसे मैं क्यूरियोसिटी बरकरार करके रखूं।
अरे डोंट वरी,
वो भी नहीं आता मुझे।
अरे नहीं, ऐसे मत बोला आप।
इज इट अ गुड वॉच?
वन टाइम वॉच है। अगर आपके पास कुछ और काम करने के लिए नहीं है, जैसे मेरे पास नहीं था और हम घर से बाहर भी नहीं जा रहे थे उस दौरान जब ये मूवी आई थी, तो हमने बैठ के देख ली।
मेरे पास भी गुड वॉच है।
तो एक बार देख लो और काम खत्म करो। और मैं बहुत ज्यादा सोचती नहीं हूँ मूवीज में, जब तक कि बहुत ही पैथेटिक मूवी ना हो।
नहीं यार, अगर
नहीं जा रही है।
The thing is, no, अगर परिणीति चोपड़ा फिल्म में है तो I don't enjoy the movie यार।
Yeah, actually,
I think मैंने उसका शायद कोई इंग्लिश मूवी, मुझे नाम ध्यान नहीं है, मैंने सेम मूवी देखी हुई है। ये किसी बुक पे बेस्ड है, तो उसका ये हिंदी वर्जन बना दिया है। I don't remember the name of the book too।
गर्ल ऑन द ट्रेन, इंग्लिश फिल्म।
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो ऐसी ही कोई मैंने इंग्लिश वर्जन देखा था और फिर ये देखा, तो ठीक है। जिस हिसाब से हमारी हिंदी मूवीज बनाते हैं तो उस हिसाब से ठीक ही बनाएंगे।
तो गाने वाने हैं उस मूवी में या नहीं?
हाँ, 1-2 गाने हैं शायद।
अच्छे वाले गाने कौन से इसमें?
नहीं, ऐसे मुझे याद नहीं है।
ऐसे याद नहीं है। डोंट वरी,
क्योंकि रेडियो डी हॉटीज बजाता नहीं है ना आलतू।
एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ, जब तक आप कोई गाना रिपीट पे नहीं बजाओगे हमें याद नहीं होता है।
हाँ, तो आलतू हम लोग को रिफ्रेश करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा बहुत, इसीलिए हमने सोचा आज चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा स्टॉक लेते हैं, कुछ ऐसे गानों को लगाते हैं जो टोटली बदतर है और कुछ ऐसे गाने जो बहुत ही बेहतर हैं। तो वैसे वाले गाने आज हम लोग यहाँ पे आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं. एंड प्रणव जी के कान ऐसे खुल गए सडनली. क्या क्या मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रही थी? मीनाक्षी को क्या बोल रही थी?
मीनाक्षी ने बोला, हमने कुछ नहीं बोला सर.
हाँ.
मैंने तो आपका नाम भी नहीं लिया प्रणव जी, पहली बार नाम ले रही हूँ अभी कॉल किया तब से.
बिना नाम ने सब कुछ बोल दी. माय गुडनेस, मीनाक्षी वेरी गुड.
एक मिनट
बोल.
मीनाक्षी जी जब ऑन एयर है उनके उन्होंने जो कागज मूवी तूने बताया वो भी देखा है, मैडम चीफ मिनिस्टर वो भी देखा है, रूही वो भी देखा है. तो अभी उसके बारे में बताइए प्लीज.
रूही क्यों बताइए? नहीं, कागज के बारे में बताइए.
रूही, अच्छा कागज मैंने इसलिए देखी थी कि उसका स्क्रीन प्ले, मेरा एक बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, उसने उसकी टीम में है वो. तो उसने मुझे भेजा था, तो इसलिए मैंने उसे बैठ के देखा था. तो ठीक लगा कि मतलब एक जेन्युइन टॉपिक उठाया हुआ है और ये ट्रू इंसिडेंट पे बेस्ड मूवी है कि कैसे जिंदा आदमी को मार दिया जाता है. और उन्हें ये प्रूफ मतलब ये प्रूफ करते करते उन्हें शायद 20-25 साल निकल जाते हैं कि हम जिंदा है.
ओह गॉड.
और ये रियल इंसिडेंट है, ये ऐसा होता आया है काफी समय से. तो इसलिए थोड़ा टची टॉपिक है. जिसमें मूवी बनाई गई है तो ठीक बनाई गई है, मतलब आप देख सकते हो. थोड़ा बीच में थोड़ा एट पॉइंट्स थोड़ा बोरिंग लग सकता है, बट फिर भी बांध के रखती है मूवी आपको.
आपका दोस्त सलमान खान थोड़ी है? नो
नहीं, मेरा दोस्त सलमान खान नहीं, लेकिन मिलकर आया था उससे, तो उसने मुझे शेयर किया था उसका एक्सपीरियंस.
ऐसे गलती कैसे कर सकता है? उसका प्यार सलमान खान
है. सॉरी, ओके, माय बैड.
नहीं, मेरा प्यार सलमान खान है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
तो फिर आपका प्यार क्या कौन है?
सुनिएगा,
मुझे जैसे ही पता लगेगा मैं आपको बता दूंगी.
गुड वन. तो अच्छा, आप अगर इफ यू वांट टू कंपेयर कागज, गर्ल ऑन ट्रेन, रूही, what would you choose to push forward?
अभी can't compare क्योंकि सबका genre different है, so you can't compare.
अरे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कंपेयर करो और एक ही बताओ. मेरे पास एक ही मूवी.
अगर बहुत लाइट मूवी देखनी है कि हंसना है थोड़ा बहुत, तो रूही इज गुड टू वॉच, क्योंकि उसमें राजकुमार राव और कॉमिक टाइमिंग वरुण शर्मा की बहुत अच्छी है. केवल वही मूवी ऊपर अपलिफ्ट करते हैं. तो एक बार आप देख सकते हो उसे भी.
डन, मैं उसको देखूंगा जरूर, बिकॉज़ आपने बोला.
लेकिन ये सब एक बार वन टाइम वॉच ही है, और हो सकता है कि आपको लगे शायद बीच में मुझे नींद भी आ रही है, तो आप सो भी सकते हो.
रूही में एंड में क्या होता है?
नहीं, वैसे हम लोग कोई भी मूवी एक बार से ज्यादा नहीं देखते हैं. सिर्फ एक मूवी आलतू ने बार देखी है, वो है
75 टाइम्स. शोले. एग्जैक्टली. 75 टाइम्स याद रखिएगा.
मैंने एक मूवी देखी है शोले के अलावा. मैंने एक और मूवी देखी है
मल्टीपल टाइम्स. क्यों समझ नहीं आया पहली बार?
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. नहीं वो ना,
माय गॉड, मैं अभी तक
के साथ घसीट के लेके जाते. मैं ये कजिन को देखना है, वो कजिन को देखना है, ये दोस्त को देखना है.
मेरे को वो एक भी देखा नहीं, मैं एक बार भी देखा नहीं. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
And when you're like a kid and you're being dragged to every single movie every time they go out.
Your cousin wants to go with the other friend of his.
With another cousin.
So called
cousin brother.
तेरे को बीच में बिठा के.
Like that, see in quotes.
हाँ, तेरे को बीच में बिठा के लोग ऐसे.
नहीं मुझे बीच
कॉर्नर सीट तेरे लिए.
हाँ, मैं साइड वाला
कॉर्नर सीट तेरे लिए. हाँ, ऐसे बहुत किया लोगों ने. हाँ,
मैंने तो एक अकेली मूवी कम से कम 50+ टाइम्स देखी.
कौन सी वाली?
सलमान खान की जानम समझा करो. पता नहीं, आई लाइक दैट मूवी. मुझे पता है उसकी एक्टिंग बहुत खराब है उसमें, फिर भी मैं उसे झूल लेती हूँ, और मैंने 50+ टाइम्स देखी होगी कम से कम.
उसका एक ही गाना मुझे मालूम है, जानम समझा कर, वही ना, है ना?
अन्नू मलिक ने गाया होगा.
Is that the one with गरम चाय की प्याली हो? वही फिल्म है क्या?
नहीं, वो नहीं, उसमें ये गाना नहीं.
बट मैंने कभी देखा नहीं फिल्में. I think I never seen those movies, especially वो movies you're talking about. I have not seen at all. But anyways, good. Thank you so much. आप बोल रहे हैं कि definitely रूही देखा जाए, right?
हाँ, एक बात तो आप देख सकते हैं. वरुण शर्मा और राजकुमार राव के लिए देख सकते हैं, जानवी कपूर के लिए ना भी देखे तो.
नहीं, कभी नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस टुडे एंड शेयरिंग दिस विद अस. ये हम लोग ब्रेक पे जा रहे हैं, उससे पहले ये गाना सुन के जाएंगे हम लोग.
थैंक यू सो मच मीनाक्षी जी. हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल फैंटास्टिक इवनिंग. बाय बाय. काश मीनाक्षी जी बे एरिया में होते आलतू बाबा.
क्यों?
हमारे मूवी क्लब का चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजर उनको बना देते.
वेरी गुड.
ताकि वो प्लान करती कौन से मूवी देखना है, एंड हम सभी जाके उनके साथ पिक्चर देखते हैं. क्यों?
क्या
We are not fans of Shah Rukh Khan.
And of course, a song from the movie Rohi, which actually yells out loud to you that Janhvi Kapoor cannot dance for nuts.
Hey.
I told you she can't dance. My God, what happened to all the Thidikan looks of Sridevi, nor the other dance of Sridevi? My goodness, come on, you need a lot of practice. Janhvi ji, आपके लिए. आज तो बाबा कमेंट.
You're listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
फालतू और फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। हर एक दिन सुनते हैं यार शाम को छोड़ के अपने सारे काम धाम को, टीम है जुदा जुदा गानों बातों में मजा, पोस्ट है कि वारे वाह बोलो 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 बोलो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था। कहानियाँ सुना के आपको लुभाएंगे, पहेलियाँ सब आपकी बुझाएंगे, आलतू ज्ञान इस तरफ कॉमन सेंस उस तरफ, छोटा जाए किस तरफ बोलो 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 बोलो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, हाँ एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह, और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था।
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
మీకందరికీ వందనము.
Jai Swaminarayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Jai Janendra.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद.
मोलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदरों को बोलेंगे प्यार से नीसाम्बुला.
और उसी लेवल ऑफ प्यार के साथ हम बोलेंगे हम आगे हैं बदजान.
आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय सेल्फ फालतू रानी बनाने आपके ट्यूसडे वाली शाम को थोड़ी और एक्साइटिंग और थोड़ी और मस्तानी बदजानी.
To that.
My God, time flies रे आलतू बाबा. Especially when you're having fun. Am I right, Bandhujan?
Well, it doesn't matter if it's fun or not, but I'll tell you one thing.
Hey.
It has been 1.5 4.
With us, it is always fun.
It is always fun with
Yeah.
us. I totally agree with Fatwani.
Correct.
But the way 2020 flew away, 2021 is flying away.
Huh.
Can you imagine? Are we having fun? Is a question.
Yes.
Dong, dong, dong.
We
One thing is
are-
Fatwani, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you something, observation which I'm doing right now. And everybody, please look into your own circle of friends, okay?
Huh.
COVID situation
Huh.
has been hard on many people.
Correct.
Millions have lost their life, right? But many people who actually have stayed safe actually have to thank the sudden change in their lifestyles, because every other person I'm seeing has halved.
Huh? Lost their weight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like as if somebody has taken a particular marking, squeeze them together into one thing. Like,
Oh
you know?
my God.
Every single person, even including you, Faltwan.
No, I haven't. Whatever.
No, seriously, Faltwan, I'm not kidding.
No,
I'll tell you the I was analyzing why.
Why?
Right?
Why?
It actually is the fact that one, of course, we were actually we were in fear. We were in fear, right? Living in fear. And second thing is, we started actually being more responsible with the way we live. We started appreciating life more. Is what I feel. Spending more time with family, spending more time listening to radio shows like ours, you know, all those things. Thank you for that. And second thing is, you didn't go out to eat in restaurants.
आप सुन रहे हैं आलतू ज्ञान. Doing, doing, doing.
Yes.
Doing, doing, doing.
And I'm so happy that my student actually finally started agreeing that, you know, I am her guru and everything. It's very
What?
nice.
I'm not agreed. Nothing like that. Whatever.
Chor ke dadi mein tinka. Did I say she was a student? But Bajan, a great opportunity for us to practice wisdom skills is what I tell you about this pregnant season of 1.5 years, which we have spent so far in sheltering in place, Bajan. 427th day going on right now. We're going to be coming back. California is opening up all businesses by June 15th. That's what they've said. But Bajan, when that happens, are we going to go back to our normal life? I don't know. Is there going to be us jumping into a normal life of pre-COVID? No, not at all. Because it's going to be a new normal established, right?
Yeah.
So we are taking stock of those things, Bajan. We're taking stock of our life as of now and seeing what's coming up in the offing as well, right? And abhi ke liye, ye saal 2021, after a whole hiatus of 6 months, industry started churning out movies for us. And unfortunately, when you start churning after a very long time, have you ever emptied a pipe which is being clogged for a year, for months together?
Hey. Last year mein
Gunk
chalu
comes out first.
Yeah, gunk comes out.
And then everything flows out. Actually, that's what happened in Jan, February. We actually had gunk coming out of our movie churning industry, which is our Bollywood.
Well,
and in fact,
actually,
it still is giving us gunk only. But Korean #1, horrible movie. Never watch the movie again.
Hey, that came out 2020, na?
Really?
I don't know.
That actually caused the gunk, I suppose. Anyway. But anyway, the point I'm making here is that movie was
pandemic or no pandemic, that movie would have been gunk anyway.
It was gunk anyway.
Yeah,
that's
the only person
the
only person that could make gunk look good was Govinda.
Well, no, Govinda time mein, the movie was okay.
No, at that time, people were accepting of that nonsense.
Correct, because
now
the 90s,
yeah. Now people are not accepting of that nonsense. I mean, क्या अभी आजकल के ज़माने में वो ऐसे डेविड धवन को सीरियसली सोचना पड़ेगा. बॉस एक रूम लगा के बैठो और थोड़ा मेडिटेट करो, सोचो कि क्या ऐसे कचरा. No, seriously, he needs to think ऐसे कचरा पिक्चर बना सकते हैं क्या?
Hey, he's not alone. Ruhi, of course, could be an exception. I haven't seen the movie. I can't talk much about it.
No, man, I you know, Ruhi is from the makers of Stree, okay? And Stree.
Geo Studios, that's why. Maddock Films.
Stree was a really, really well-made movie.
Okay.
I like the movie.
I'll give it to you on that one, okay.
And
but again, Ruhi was a part. And Mumbai Saga, around same time, in the month of February. Oh, March mein aaya tha, Mumbai Saga. We went and saw the movie.
Oh, God. Well, what was Mumbai Saga? I forgot.
Hey, that action movie guy.
John Abraham, right? क्या है वो? कुछ तो भी दो gang है या कुछ ऐसा ना?
Something about gang wars in Mumbai. Anyway, should have been done well, but could have been done better. But a lot of loopholes in the movie.
Wait, hold on. That is about Bala Saheb Thackeray, right?
Something like that. That's what they say.
So we didn't like the movie, did we? I got confused.
We didn't like the movie because Manjrekar was there. Manjrekar's role was wasted totally.
Absolutely wasted. कोई दम ही नहीं है. मतलब end में totally.
And by the way, serial kisser becoming a policeman was not nice also. People couldn't.
Yeah, and it was like a tiny fist. I mean, seriously.
Just like the song also. Total tiny fist song.
I didn't like the song in this movie also.
The song is there in the movie, by the way, Banujan.
Yeah, this song.
I don't know why Honey Singh had to be shown there.
Yeah.
Along with this new guy, who's the other guy. What's his name, man? Honey Singh के साथ एक और है ना, Homi Dilwala. What his name is?
Machenga. Short Machenga.
बचे न कोई मेरी नजरों से, न जाऊं गुलजार की गजलों पे, नाच के जाओ घर सुबह तो निशान पैरों पे जख्मों के. बचे न कोई मेरी नजरों से, न जाऊं गुलजार की गजलों पे, नाच के जाओ घर सुबह तो निशान पैरों पे जख्मों के. मैं हकीम लाया दवाई जिससे होंगे सारे हाय, 2 नंबर की मेरी कमाई से मचाता हूँ तबाही. मैं हकीम लाया दवाई जिससे होंगे सारे हाय, 2 नंबर की मेरी कमाई से मचाता हूँ तबाही. तभी तो मचेगा शोर, मचेगा शोर, मचेगा शोर, मचेगा हिलेगा फ्लोर, हिलेगा फ्लोर, हिलेगा फ्लोर, हिलेगा.
Bakwas!
This is a song from the movie Mumbai Saga. But Banjan, we thought this was okay. This is after this, it can't get worse than this.
We thought that. Seriously, we thought after the song also, we thought okay, the song probably is not making justice for the movie. We thought, hey, John Abraham रहेगा, अच्छा रहेगा, all the stuff.
Well, actually, Banjan, एक चीज, I don't know if it's you noticed it. In the movies that we've seen this year, right? So all of a sudden, gore has become so commonplace.
Gore,
यानी कि blood. जैसे एक हाथ को काटते हुए, previously थोड़ा symbolic होता था. They'd show the axe flying
and the blood splattering,
but they wouldn't show the hand getting cut off. Now with the prosthetics and all that, they actually show the head getting cut off. Oh God, it's the ayaba was my expression, and the pachak was the sound of the cutting, whatever, right? So
first and foremost, the sound doesn't come pachak first of all.
Huh?
Yeah. No.
Never mind. I don't know. Yay.
That's how it comes.
Yeah. Acha.
What?
I don't know.
Acha.
कुछ भी वेस्ट फेलो. मैं तेरे को मालूम है, तूने कभी काटा है किसी को ऐसे?
नहीं.
तेरे को मालूम है, तू खड़ा था क्या? साउंड सुना क्या?
मैं अहिंसावादी हूँ फादर.
कुछ भी. तो फिर कैसे बोलता है पचाक नहीं आता है साउंड?
Unlike you, I'm अहिंसावादी फादर.
कुछ भी आलतू बाबा.
बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो.
He only incites hinsa in people, but he gives himsa to people. Yeah, okay, Altu. By the way, yes, Deepaji, you're absolutely right. Daughter of Sri Devi and not being able to gyrate the way she did, because Sri Devi is truly the gyration queen. She's the person who was the gyration queen in Bollywood. Absolutely.
She had good trainers. Why are you honestly giving her a hard time, Deepa? What is Deepa? Not fair, Deepa.
Hey, by the way, Mumbai Saga, it's you can watch if you're able to tolerate gore and violence.
Well, actually, it was not too bad. Only thing, it could have been done better. What I felt is, having watched so many movies about the underworld and everything, right? You generally would expect a certain kind of, screenplay should have been much better. Is what
Actually, Altu and myself were spouting dialogues even before it came on screen.
Yeah.
Like me, I went with my sister, my Muboli Ben, Jaishi ji, and I was like,
she kept on feeding you.
No, she was not able to watch the violence, and I was giving the dialogues.
She was not that
and
way.
she's like, oh my god, I'm like coming out with dialogue, patak patak. She's like, before the dialogue comes out, I'm like, मुझे जाके लिखना पड़ेगा ऐसे.
No, she told no. You also were bad at the time, right? Namaskar, आपका hardest father Pam Pam में. Who's this? Hello, welcome to Taking Stock Tuesdays.
Pam Pam.
मचेगा चोर मचेगा
मचेगा Pam Pam मचेगा Pam Pam. That's what you should say.
बचेगा
Pam Pam.
अरे मैंने गाना देखा भी नहीं है और मूवी भी नहीं देखा, तो मैं कैसे गाऊंगी? अभी आप लोगों ने जो बजाया उसको सुन के मैंने गा दिया.
I want to ask you one thing, Deepa. Don't you feel bored of your own taste? Why you don't watch good movies?
अच्छा, look who is talking. Good movies. आज तो good movies नहीं बात कर रहे हो.
90s के मूवी से बात कर.
आज तो थकेला ट्यूसडे है ये.
क्या कुछ भी रैंडम.
Yesterday you had Malevolent Monday और आज एकदम से थकेला ट्यूसडे लेके.
No रे, not थकेला Tuesday. The movie.
Look at the reader. दीपा पढ़ना भी नहीं आता क्या?
Taking Stock Tuesday. थकेला Thursdays को आता है. Tuesdays को नहीं होता है. But the point is today, no, unfortunately, the movies coming out 21, no, Deepa, have been let down most of the time. I don't know, but did you feel that at all? Have you seen any wonderful movie in 2021?
Seriously, I have felt it क्योंकि मैं इतनी I am so badly waiting for movies, good movies.
Why can't you goodly wait? Why you badly wait?
बहुत goodly wait.
क्योंकि मैं बहुत badly मेरा मूड बैड हो गया बाबा. उसको गुड करने के लिए चाहिए मुझे.
हाँ, ये गुड करने के लिए आप पे कॉल करो. हाँ, ओके.
लेकिन मीनाक्षी जी के हिसाब से तो ये बैड मूवीज नहीं थे. रूही was
उसने गुड भी नहीं बोला. उसने बोला एक बार देख सकते. वो भी बेचारी बोर हो गई इसलिए उसने देख लिया. अभी मैं भी पता नहीं. I will also end up watching them someday. लेकिन अभी तक वो मैं कंट्रोल करके बैठी हूँ अपने.
But Deepa, thing is, Meenakshi is endorsing Mumbai Saga. She says it was okay.
No man, she's saying she's not seen it.
No, she says I saw both.
No man, she says she's not watched it.
I haven't watched it. Okay, okay, then you're not missing much.
But Pranabji is saying John Abraham was good.
Hey, Pranabji is blindly always,
Blind
for him, John, just because he has a body like John Abraham, he thinks everything what John Abraham does is nice. But if you've not seen Pranabji,
अरे यार अभी मैं इतनी बोल रही सारे सीरीज सब खत्म हो गए. मैं अभी I don't wanted to watch it. I ended up watching Tandav also.
What is Tandav?
What is Tandav? Oh,
Tandav वो साइफ अली खान का सीरीज आया ना प्राइम पे.
Oh God.
That also you watched of her?
Oh God. I tried watching Tandav, the first episode. I got so bugged. I said never
mind.
Hey
Deepa, where do you find so much time, Deepa? You have very good time management, I suppose. थोड़ा हमें भी सिखा दो यार.
अरे भगवान, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कुछ और नहीं है, इसीलिए मैंने उसको देखा.
Like मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है देखने के लिए. मेरे को प्लीज कम चेक आउट माय टाइम शेड्यूल एंड प्लीज कैन यू हेल्प मी.
अगर टाइम है तो पहले DDLJ देखो. Every time somebody asks a question you say I haven't watched it.
Hey, that's so boring yaar. You know the DDLJ, right?
He doesn't like love stories, Deepa.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the. I can't stomach it, unfortunately. I feel like I start commenting like how can.
एक दिन आप वो शो विविंग
एक काम करो दीपा
सेटअप कर दो स्टूडियो में. हम सब मिलके देखेंगे.
दीपा एक काम करो ना, थ्रो अ पार्टी इन योर हाउस, DDLJ पार्टी. I'll come and attend it. खाना खाने के टाइम पे देख लूंगा. बस जस्ट स्टार्टर टाइम में स्टार्ट कर देना फिल्म में.
चल यार दीपा बना दे ऐसे पार्टी.
डिजर्ट तक फिल्म खत्म हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
That's how I did 3 parties of Sholay, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah. So my thing was Sholay party. We did 3 sessions.
देखो शोले इतनी बार देखा है, इसको एक बार तो देख लो ना, चलेगा.
अरे शोले में you had अमिताभ बच्चन, धर्मेंद्र जी, we had Helen.
संजीव कुमार.
यार हेलेन का 3 मिनट. संजीव कुमार जी थे. देखो and of course Helen 3 minutes was enough for 3 hours movie. मतलब आप वही धुन में रहते हो एकदम. मतलब the point I'm making here is शोले का मैं ऐसे किया था. मैंने शोले पार्टी रखा था in our bachelor pad of course, and then we had like around 10 people come in at different times.
No, Alto Baba, stop.
Start किया हमने with appetizers.
ये कहानी सुनी हुई है.
क्या सुनी हुई है?
We don't want to listen to that story again.
What?
कि how many times you watched it? Let's talk about what you're going to watch
Did
next.
I tell you I watched 75 times?
Yes. How many times will you tell?
अरे फालतूरानी, अभी कोई और मूवी है तो मुझे पूछो उस लिस्ट में, तुम्हारे लिस्ट में, तो मैं बोलूंगी मैंने देखा है कि नहीं.
You
Time
saw
to dance.
हाँ?
Time to dance.
Time to dance देखा है?
No.
What? Nothing you've seen.
That Aditya Pancholi, right?
Okay, but how about the thing? I think this movie
That
came
is
on.
that Suraj Pancholi movie, right? Time to dance.
हाँ. You saw it?
नहीं. मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Hey, but I believe this particular movie.
देखा मैंने बोला. मैंने नीति चोपड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगती.
You know, that's why I'm scared to do. That's why I'm scared.
जानवी कपूर अच्छा.
That's why I'm scared to do a debut in Bollywood.
Why?
Because she'll not watch my movies. दीपा अरे खुद निकालते हैं बहुत बाद में. अच्छा दीपा, by the way, एक और फिल्म आई है, मतलब I believe this movie is released on OTT. Paglayat. Paglayat.
ऐसे मत बोलो. मैं रोज 2 घंटे का तुम्हारा मूवी देखती हूँ ना फेसबुक.
ये मूवी थोड़ी, ये तो लाइव शो है.
अबे ये मूवी नहीं है, नौटंकी है, नौटंकी.
ये live show.
नौटंकी देखती हूँ ना, ड्रामेबाजी देखती हूँ.
Hey, but don't you enjoy this? दीपा सच बोल, don't you enjoy this?
That's what I'm saying. How can you say that I will not watch your movie, Bollywood movie? I will.
Seriously, Deepa, you'll watch the movie?
Yeah, she will.
Okay, Deepa, fine. I'll put it to test.
Whether she watches it or not, I know one person who always has to sit with you in the front of your car, who will make her watch the movie.
That kid has got great taste, man. Seriously. That kid has got great taste, I tell you.
Yeah,
quality. Man, he knows what quality is, by the way.
Yeah.
Gotta hand it to him. Yeah. But anyway, good. So how about the D Company? I believe Ram Gopal made a movie called D Company also. I don't know where he gets the money to do all the movies.
Hey, D Company ये साला है क्या? नहीं, old movie है ना वो कुछ.
नहीं, Spark Productions का ये, I believe in the month of March he released a movie called D Company. Could be a tax write-off also.
No, I haven't. But you know what? I have been wanting to watch a movie. वो कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे.
कौन सा वाला?
Movie called Welcome to New York.
हाँ, Welcome to New York. मुझे मालूम नहीं कहाँ पे, आप देख लो.
कहाँ है वो? किसका है?
अरे कहीं नहीं मिल रही. ये लोग पागल लोग हैं. No, they should have made use of this COVID situation ना. जो भी unreleased movie बैठे थे ना Bollywood के बॉक्स में, उनको सब रिलीज करना था OTT पे. नहीं किया इन लोगों ने.
Yeah, but OTT doesn't pick any movie, Deepa. They have to actually either pay for it or something like that. So I think they want to have and they have a selection criteria also, by the way, in OTT when you pick up a movie in OTT.
Oh really?
Not everybody
क्या
can.
कुछ selection कुछ नहीं है. तो बाबा
होता है डालेंगे.
रिलैक्स कर दिया रूल्स. नो सेंसरशिप, नथिंग.
सेंसर की बात नहीं. आपको माने सेंसर की बात नहीं है. OTT will get clearance of censorship for sure because I think censor board doesn't cover OTT, by the way.
OTT में unrated movies भी आते हैं.
Correct, but the thing is OTT, the platform has to decide who they want to pick, right? So probably that.
अरे ये तो बहुत ही कमर्शियल मूवी था. तो बाबा
Welcome to New York.
करण जौहर, रितेश देशमुख, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स थे उसमें.
तो अच्छा वाला है ना?
I remember seeing the advertisement.
अच्छा वाला है ना?
I mean trailer इतना सही.
Hey, probably they have not released it, Ray. Trailer बन के रखा. They kept it. They wait for the theatrical release. Like for instance, how they're Rohit Shetty is keeping all his movies in boxes now, no?
Yeah, Suryavanshi and all.
Oh, maybe you are right.
They probably wait.
नहीं किया उसको.
And of course, India में आजकल तो it's very bad situation, right? In terms of the COVID situation.
No, and also this right? OTT के लिए they negotiate a price.
Yeah.
So you basically are giving away your rights to the movie or whatever is negotiated, right? So if you don't get the right price, then it may not be worth it.
इसीलिए रुकी और गर्ल इन द ट्रेन एंड बस आ रहे हैं सब.
And even Paglayat.
Have you seen Paglayat?
Supposedly very good.
Pagla.
Yeah, Pagla is a good movie. I liked it.
Ashutosh Rana and all that movie, I believe.
I've not seen it.
I liked it. I liked
what
it.
genre is it, Deepa? What genre?
Ekta Kapoor genre.
It's more. अभी देखो आ रहे हैं ना, like low budget North Indian के.
Hey, hello.
Hey, no.
गाँव में देते हैं ना.
Hey, this is
Ekta Kapoor genre बोले तो क्या वो सास भी कपूर
No, I never said Ekta Kapoor. मैंने ये बोला.
It is Balaji Motion Pictures में Ekta Kapoor का production है.
हाँ,
Everybody who she could not hire in her series, serial actor movie.
अल्तुमा तुम पूछ रहे हो, मैं बोल रही हूँ. मैंने मूवी देखा है. 1 मिनट मेरी बात सुनो.
Good. Thank you.
Time starts now, Deepa.
Hey, हाँ बोलो दीपा.
मैं बोल रही थी कि even though maybe it's her production, मैंने वो बैनर नहीं देखा. But what I'm saying is, it's like kind of like when the बरेली की बर्फी आई ना, like कानपुर, मीरठ, ऐसा story है ये भी. Like very like small town story, and it's beautiful movie. थोड़ा starting में मुझे थोड़ा drag लगा. I mean, the storytelling is little longer, but it's really nice movie with a very good message. You should watch it.
Paglite, very nice. Is there any good songs?
It's a new, no songs in that. It's actually, it's typical like
No songs. I love her acting. Sonia Malhotra, right? What's her name? Sanya Malhotra.
Sanya Gupta.
Nice,
Sanya Gupta.
नहीं, मल्होत्रा है शायद उसका नाम.
Sanya Malhotra also is there. There's also a son, Sayani Gupta, other person. Sorry, my bad. I'm reading it wrong.
Yeah. No, the main character who is a Dangal star.
Correct.
Sanya Malhotra, she's the one.
Yeah, Paglite, yeah, she's the one.
So,
hey, but I'll tell you, that's good thing. So one thing is that now we have to come to a section where we have to go talk about the upcoming movies. There's a movie we're looking forward to come. But did you see one movie we liked, Faltwani, which we saw OTT though?
Yeah. We saw.
We liked the movie. You know which one I'm talking about, Deepa? We're talking about.
And I think Abhishek Bachchan proved his worth.
Yeah. That movie called Big Bull. Dekha aapne kabhi?
I saw that movie.
But you don't like Abhishek Bachchan, right?
I don't like him, but
taste upgrade कर रहे दीपा. Seriously.
अरे नहीं मैं सुनो ना मेरी बात में, लेकिन ये मैंने मूवी देखी है. मैंने देखा मूवी. इतना भी मैं उसको डिसलाइक नहीं करती कि मैं मूवी ना देखूं. I went ahead and I watched it. ठीक है, he did a good job, but और थोड़ा अच्छा कर सकता था, लेकिन
he's done a good job. He's done a very good job. In fact, for when you don't earlier sometimes I used to feel he was a little camera conscious, but in this particular movie you forget that it's Abhishek Bachchan. He's completely gotten into character. Very, very well done. I think he's done a really good job.
I still think he, in my view, I still think he holds back himself.
He holds back himself.
इतना ये नहीं करता है. वो he should little come out more out of his shell. अभी भी मुझे वो लगता है हिचकिचाता है वो, that hesitation in his acting. I still see that.
People tall like me or tall and good looking like me, always we hold back a little bit, Deepa.
You Rama, you hold back, Altu Baba.
Of course, I'm so tehra.
You hold back, you and holding back. No way.
Excuse me, what? You seem like I let it
out. मैं तेरे को बोलूं, तेरे को कोई $5 देगा, तू $10 का एक्टिंग करके आएगा. तो ऐसा है. Seriously, इतना ओवर एक्टिंग करता है.
अरे नहीं, मैं तो दे सकता हूँ 25. मैं तो 25 सेंट्स दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन 10 सेंट का तो काम कर.
इसको एक कैमियो का रोल दे दो, पूरा सीन बना के आएगा.
हाँ, एक बार ना एक हमारा एक किस्सा सुनो. हमारा किस्सा सुना. हमारे जब बचपन में ना एक ये था कि एक कुछ लोगों का भूत सवाल था एक फिल्म बनाने का, राइट? सुनो. हमारे कुछ दोस्त थे जो सीनियर्स थे हमारे. कभी हमारे फाल्तवानी को भी एक्चुअली लिया था, बिकॉज फाल्तवानी गुड लुकिंग ना, दे वांटेड टू हैव अ फ्री हीरोइन. तो फाल्तवानी को बोला तू आके एक्ट कर. कभी हाँ आई डोंट माइंड, बाकी हीरोइन का रोल था ना, ले लिया. बाद में मेरे को एक छोटा सा रोल दिया. मेरे को छोटा क्या, मेरे को आके भाई की तरफ उसको ड्रॉप करके जाना पड़ेगा, मतलब मोटर बाइक पे. आई एम नॉट किडिंग. फिल्म आके शॉर्ट फिल्म था एंड उनको अवार्ड मिला बिकॉज आई ड्रॉप्ड. मेरा जो है ना एक मोटर बाइक पे आके इसका ऐसे ड्रॉप करके मैं ऐसे लुक करके ओके आई पिक यू अप लेटर मैं एक लाइन था. मतलब हु इज द गाय इन द मोटर बाइक, वो सब लोग पूछ जाते मुझे.
तो वो जूम कर दिया कैमरा तुम्हारे चेहरे पे.
हाँ, जूम किया ना मेरे को. मेरा स्टाइल अंदाज में ऐसे स्टार्ट करने का मोटर बाइक एंड ऐसे टर्न करते हुए मोटर बाइक को ना.
ख्यालों में कुछ भी ऐसे बनाता रहेगा स्टोरी. पूछो कि
ये फिल्म वाज अ टोटल फ्लॉप बाय द वे.
नहीं.
फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए और लगा फेस्टिवल में
पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन किसने किया मालूम है क्यों फ्लॉप हुआ? पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन, सिर्फ उसका जो ड्राइविंग वाला सीन है उसमें क्या स्लो मोशन
बिकॉज वो एंट्री मार रहा है हीरोइन के साथ, हीरोइन का भाई है।
तो तुमने आधे घंटा स्ट्रेच कर दिया।
ऐसे कुछ आधा घंटा डोंट एक्ट लाइक हर, ओके, एग्जैजरेशन मत करना। वो बंदा आके ड्रॉप करके चला जाता है, तो मैंने क्या किया, वो हाँ ड्रॉप करेगा तो लॉन्ग शॉट लिया था, लॉन्ग शॉट में से ऐसे स्टॉप करने का पूरा कैमरा पैन था, देन ऐसे बाद में जूम कराया मेरे फेस पे,
अपने फेस पे, हीरोइन पे नहीं।
हीरोइन उतर के चली गई, बाद में ड्रॉप में निकलता ना, और बैक शॉट भी था, बैक शॉट अच्छा था यार।
Excuse me.
It was SD bike, I tell you,
there was nothing to actually see। ये जो एकता कपूर बोलता है ना, ये उससे इंस्पायर्ड है, क्योंकि वो जूम 3 बार उसके चेहरे पे।
3 बार नहीं था, एक ही बार था। माय मोटर बाइक हेडलाइट मेरा फेस, इट वाज कट शॉट, ओके, नो जूम ऑन प्लीज।
बेचारे वो लोग, क्या उनको पिक्चर भी नहीं ठीक से दिया, अपने लिए स्कोप ले लिया ना।
अंशु बाबा, मैं एक बात बोलूं, तुम इतने लंबे हो ना, इसलिए वो थोड़ा ज्यादा लिया टाइम।
क्या बोल रही है?
तुम्हारा पूरा वो कवर करने के लिए कैमरा टाइम ज्यादा लिया होगा ना, तुम्हारी हाइट बहुत।
अरे वो कैमरा टाइम ज्यादा नहीं लिया,
एस्टैब्लिशिंग शॉट्स था, मैंने बनाया था, दैट्स फाइन। तो बट देखो, ये उसने बोला कैमियो शॉट, मैंने हाँ चलेगा, करूंगा, राइट, कैमियो शॉट किया मैंने, बस उतना ही। मैं बीच में अपना डाल दिया कि आई विल पिक यू अप लेटर ऑन द इवनिंग, बस। उस पे गुस्सा आ गया उस पे गुस्सा है, मैंने उनको बोला चलो यार ले लो आपको, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे एक्चुअली,
उसका कोई डायलॉग नहीं था बाय द वे,
मैंने डायलॉग ऐड किया,
इसने ऐड किया,
मैंने आई विल पिक यू अप इन द इवनिंग।
अच्छा, अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम ना जब तुम शूटिंग करोगे तो मैं उधर ऑडियंस में आके खड़ी होके मैं बोलूंगी, वाह क्या एक्टिंग करता है, वाह क्या एक्टिंग करता है।
एक्सक्यूज मी, हमें ऐसे जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसे भी लोग बोलते हैं, अब भी क्या आप भी ना, सही में दीपा जी क्या ऐसे मेरे को बहुत खींच रहा। दीपा बट आई मेक गुड मूवी, दीपा डोंट वरी।
मैं बोल रही, मैं तारीफ करूंगी। रिमेंबर दैट सीन फ्रॉम ओम शांति ओम मूवी, वो साइड में वो एक्टर खड़े रहते, शाहरुख खान एक्टिंग करता रहता, बोलता है वो वाह क्या एक्टिंग करता है, वाह क्या एक्टिंग करता है।
दीपा आई एम नॉट दैट वे, मैं ऑन स्क्रीन से ज्यादा मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन बेटर हूं एक्चुअली, सो डोंट वरी। हम लोग जब हमारा शो बनाएगा, वी एक्चुअली आई ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड स्क्रिप्टिंग बाय द वे,
वी हैव गॉट टू मेक अ मूवी, नो मैन,
स्क्रिप्टिंग करना पड़ता है फादर इसके लिए। एक मिनट फादर, फिल्म बनाने के लिए काम होता है काम होता है फादर,
तो तेरे को करना पड़ता है, राइट?
हां काम करने वाला को करना पड़ता है, तू तो बस क्या ग्लैमर है ना, तो दिखाने के लिए। हां एग्जैक्टली, हां वेरी गुड। तो दीपा जी थैंक यू सो मच। तो आपको मैं बोलना चाहा, बिग बुल में आपको गाना पसंद आया कोई?
अच्छे गाने?
No, I don't remember any songs from this.
अच्छा, because you not heard it on Radio Hotties। जब तक रेडियो डी हॉटीज नहीं बजाएगा आलतू बाबा, लोगों को पसंद दिमाग में कैसे घुसेगा, उनके जहन में कैसे आएगा, तो हमें बजाना पड़ेगा।
मुझे अच्छी लगी।
हाँ, तो इसको लगाते हैं। सुनो, there's some couple of good songs in the movie,
but only put one song with title song in the movie.
No man, no, we're not going to play Big Bull. No, you're going to play the Ishq Namaza song.
You're exactly what Pranab ji posted there, Big Bully.
Yeah, you and Pranab ji. Seriously, they call me Big Bully. Can you believe that?
Of course she can, because she has been at the receiving end of that also. No दीपा,
स्वीट फालतू रानी, कुछ भी मत बोलो।
थैंक यू दीपा।
और चढ़ाओ और बिगाड़ो बच्चे को, सही में दीपा है।
थैंक यू दीपा,
तुम्हारे लाड़ प्यार ने इसको बिगाड़ा है।
प्रणब जी मैं कभी नहीं भूलेगी।
भूलेगी क्या?
हाँ
तभी बोलेगी।
ठीक है, अभी गाना बजाओ। थैंक यू।
सुनो, it's a beautiful song from the movie Big Bull. I was going to say Big Bully.
That's you, right?
Enjoy. Thank you so much Deepa for calling in. This particular song, Manajan.
Yeah, and of course Deepa's gone already. But the only comment which Faltoni had about the movie was the hero is too young for the hero.
Yes.
He's supposed to be that hero. The story is that way.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh my God. But okay with Salman Khan acting with a 16-year-old girl.
Yeah. Don't start. Well, we're going to come to that later.
इश्क नमाज़ा मैं ता पढ़िया, इश्क नमाज़ा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स इसमें जो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हैं, जो जनरली म्यूजिक डायरेक्ट करते हैं, वो इसमें गाए हैं अंकित तिवारी जी. म्यूजिक जो दिया है गौरव दास गुप्ता, न्यू पर्सन मर्जन, एंड Kumar Juneja is a person. Kumar Juneja is the lyricist for the song version. And of course, if you haven't seen the movie, it's a good watch. It actually is equivalent to a, what do you call this as? It's a thriller movie, right? It actually is a thriller, a financial thriller is what I'd call it, because it actually is the retelling of an incident which happened in real life.
The Harshad Mehta scam.
Yeah, but they've changed the name and everything. But it's more like, what happened there, and you actually see a different take on the regular movie. It's a nice movie. It was well done. Yes, it could have been done better, like how Deepa pointed out. Oh, could have been done better. Yeah, everything could be done better. Nothing is like you can never say something is perfect, right? So this movie also, I really was like, I liked the way the characterization was very nice. The role picking Abhishek Bachchan for the role was very good.
Yeah.
Not that he looks like the character, but he was able to pull off the role of somebody who's a cutthroat bania.
Yeah.
Right? Very nicely done, actually. So that's one movie which I totally say is a lifesaver for this year. But I don't think the box office actually reflected that, did it? It didn't, right? It released automatically in...
The box office, I think it did well. The movie did really well.
It went on. It didn't release in theaters, did it?
It did. I think it came out in India. यहाँ पे पता नहीं निकला कि नहीं. I don't know overseas markets में. But unfortunately, Banujan, the pandemic has really affected. Obviously, it's completely crippled social life in India, and that's part of the reason why it's all on OTT, most of them right now. So the movie is definitely a good watch on OTT, for sure.
Yes, so April actually brought in a couple of good movies. April was the time when Big Bull released, and also April was the time when one particular movie which we liked actually, but we unfortunately went to the wrong language.
Yeah, we actually typically what we do is when we watch a movie, we try to watch it in the original language that it's supposed to be. Like for instance, Bahubali, we prefer watching it in Telugu.
Telugu as opposed to
even if it's a Hindi version, we prefer the Telugu because of the fact that
we understand the language. Second thing is, there is some kind of sachai to the way the actors are lip syncing and everything.
Exactly, and the actors are also largely from Tamil and Telugu. If there is an A.R. Rahman movie, like for instance Roja, we would prefer the Tamil version as opposed to the Hindi version because there's more authenticity, and you can relate to the Tamil version better as opposed to watching the Hindi version, right?
Correct.
It's like, imagine if you were watching Indiana Jones and you saw that with Hindi dialogues. So, because people have to watch it. It sounds so bad. Hey, usko aise maro. Like, it'll be so bad.
I can't say it on air, but there was something when Spider-Man, I'd seen it in Hindi, it was really bad.
Oh, really?
The point is, the thing is, I get it. So, this particular movie for Father and build up towards was the debut production, right? Of A.R. Rahman.
Yeah, the debut, production, and also he's as a writer. And also as the producer of a movie. This is an A.R. Rahman movie that we watched, Panajan. Unfortunately, we chose, by mistake, we chose the Tamil version of the movie. We should have gone to the Hindi version because most of the actors or the original lip sync jo bolte hai, right, the lip for the dialogues were all in Hindi, and then not everybody is like our Mahima ji who can write dialogues which will fit that lip sync, right? Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, she used to do that because she was a language expert, and she used to actually write the dialogues based on the when you're doing something called a dubbing of a movie, not a remake, but a dubbing of a movie. She would write the dialogue that would fit that particular thing and actually capture the sentiment. So, so this particular movie, we saw the Tamil version. a big mistake. It could have been done much better. It's probably, obviously, the story of an artist and the angst of the life of an artist. But the movie was a letdown because of the way the movie was treated. It just seemed so contrite. And the way the movie was told. And there's like, editing is not crisp. But the songs, obviously, the music of the movie was really good. What movie is it we're talking about? We're talking about the movie 99 Songs, Vanajan. And songs are beautiful in this movie, without a doubt, obviously. The hero is nice. Heroine, I don't know. It's okay. Enjoy. This is O Ashika from the movie.
जिया तू जिया अगर ऐसे तो यारा क्या जिया ओ जिया तू जिया हिसाबों में यारा क्या जिया कि सबके खुदा से बस अपनी दुआ ये कैसी दुआ की ओ जोगिया गिरा के ईमान बनाया मैं दिल तो क्या बनाया ओ कारीगरा ओ जिया तू जिया घर से तो यारा क्या जिया ओ जिया तू जिया हिसाबों में यारा क्या जिया
Hi, this is A.R. Rahman and you're listening to me on Radio D Hotties with Altu Baba and Altu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
इश्क की कहे बात कोई मांगी कह ना सके क्या बोले कबीरा क्या बुल्ला कहे माँ ना मिले तो खुदा ना मिले
And of course, we talked about the special movies composer being A.R. Rahman sir, sung beautifully by Shashwat Singh and lyrics by Navneet Work Patajan. A very nice set of songs, 14 songs in the movie entire. And we did have A.R. Rahman sir, we talked to him in person and we also got to talk to the hero of the movie as well. And of course, film. What's interesting is we went to watch we should have watched the Hindi. I suppose it would have been much better Hindi, like how Fatari talked about a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would advise you go watch the movie. Watch the Hindi version of 99 Songs. Songs are nice. The dialogues also probably would be now more impactful if it were to be in Hindi because most of the shooting has happened in Hindi and then they've dubbed it in other languages. Right? Even the actors they've been mindful of taking Hindi and North Indian actors and actresses. One thing good about the movie is the fact that the heroine has no dialogue. She's not Indian.
She's non-Indian, by the way.
Probably they tried to make her talk. She was not able to get it, I suppose. Chalo, mute brothers. She's the Barfi in the movie, Banajan.
Well, the thing about this movie, Banajan, it touches upon several different things. I really want to read the story that A.R. sir wrote because I have a feeling that the movie does a disservice to his story because he does talk about how a person who is creative expresses through their art form.
Yeah, but a lot of things in the movie which we felt was disconnected.
Yeah.
Could be the screenplay.
Maybe it's a screenplay.
Yeah, it was nothing to do with the story. The story probably would have had more things to it because there are many sequences in the movie. You wonder, like, why is the guy like here? Why didn't it happen over there? So you start wondering all those things when you watch the movie.
And he talks about, if you haven't watched the movie, purely because I think, I'll be honest with you, because of our work with individuals who are developmentally different, Bandujan, and we're very involved with what we do at Pragna, and there's, people with mental health issues and things like that, right? And many of us face mental health issues. We kind of know what it means and what could drive a person to a psychotic break, right? We kind of know that the impact of certain types of chemicals and drugs which could actually induce a psychotic break, right? In this movie, I think in the story what A.R. Sir has written, possibly he's written about that psychotic break very nicely, but the movie doesn't establish it. You know what I mean? When it translates from paper onto screen, screen has to have a different impact altogether. You should be able to weave incidents, you have to be able to project into the story or inject into the story some other elements that will actually add to the realism of that story, right? So I think there they completely fell flat. This movie falls flat only in that area, but otherwise outside of that, I think the songs are good. The overall theme of the movie is also good, which talks it touches upon several different aspects. It talks about the angst of an artist, talks about music, it talks about how you always have a song within you. There is a song. Every one of us has a song within us. And it's very nicely done. That's one thing that really drives home the point. And Mahima ji used to always say this, for an artist, the most important thing, they don't look for money, they don't look for anything else. Qadardan chahiye. You need somebody who will not take away that music, will not stifle the art in you. That is, she used to always say this, Manjan, and that when that is stifled, when they don't get an expression, a form of vent for that creative expression, and every one of us has something within us which is a form of creative expression. If we don't find that, a lot of times you end up getting suffocated in your life in some way or the other, and that's what A.R. Sir has tried to tell through the story, and it's a very nice story. I liked those aspects of the story, but I didn't like the way the movie was treated. I wish he would have chosen Altu or me or Media Mahima to write to tell a story. Seriously, I wish they would have. We had the opportunity to actually present it to him.
Yeah, and next, of course, Bhajanam, we made totally following all the lockdown policies.
Yeah.
Of social distancing. You know, you pick the people who actually work in your farm.
Yeah.
People who and you call the crew to work outside your compound. You know, so you don't go more out of your area of operations.
And you're very high on the grass that you're getting on your farm.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Probably your lack of protein totally, creates a lot of things. And of course, the second thing is, of course, having dance moves which actually go with the fact that you don't want to break your bones. You can't have hospitals closed and everything.
Oh,
right?
God, I tell you, man. This particular movie, Banajan, Vishal Arora ji, actually, there's one of our bandhus called Jyoti Arora. She loves this movie, Banajan.
Really?
Yeah, she really, really loves this movie. And the other person is, of course, our Pranab ji, who totally digs this movie. Yeah.
Really digs deep in.
Yeah, he completely.
He'll dig it really deep and put some concrete and add some more sand on top of that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, which movie it is? Pranab ji, Jyoti ji, we'd love to hear from you.
Music by Himesh Yashabia Bhattajan. He was available in the very close to the farmhouse anyways. And I think Shabir Ahmed lyrics. Singers, of course, Kamal Khan and Payal Dev.
Oh, I thought it's Lulia Vantur.
But the dancer in particular was Jacqueline Fernandez, who was actually in his farmhouse. All of the lockdown. Horrible dance direction. Prabhudeva, I'm really disappointed in you.
Prabhudeva, seriously.
Whatever happened to the concept of actually having coordination in dance, Faltwani? Wasn't that one of the things which you liked about Prabhudeva's team as the heroines is to actually perform, or heroes was to perform in sync with the artists, right?
I think Prabhudeva along the road. Hold on 1 second. So Prabhudeva along the road, right? Has lost focus on actual storytelling and on actual art form.
He's gone dick-chack into it, right?
No, he has gone into, if you look at all the, this is when success goes to your head, right, Banjan?
Yeah.
Even in Rowdy Rathod, it'll focus on the heroine's hips.
Yeah.
It'll focus on the
Masala elements.
The masala elements where you know the way she
unwanted glamour.
Yeah, where it'll focus on the waistline. It'll focus on something else. It's like literally the catering to the basic instincts of a human being. And I think Prabhudeva, that does not work. You could think that it titillates the masses. It does not.
Well, we don't require a kind of titillation. Right? We require to have intellectual titillation.
Right.
Right. So by the way, I'll tell you why. This particular movie, Radhe. Oh my God! What the whole movie? Disha Patani is showing off her long legs.
Not only long legs. What? Literally nothing. I mean, and it's not required for her to be in the movie at all.
In the first place, that's true. Why was Jackie Shroff needed?
Why was Jackie Shroff needed? Yeah, father-in-law and daughter-in-law.
No, not father-in-law. Brother-in-law.
Abey, they're actually. She's Jackie Shroff's hone wali bahu, right?
Oh.
Yeah, Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani are getting married.
I thought they broke up, right?
No.
Oh, they're getting married?
They're an item, yeah. They're a big item. They're the two of them, and I just felt it was completely uncalled for.
Well, the movie itself was uncalled for, but anyways, there's a song for the movie which actually is a total takeoff of a Telugu film.
Bakwas movie.
Because this song is actually DSP. DSP is Devi Prasad from the South Indian thing. And in that movie, of course, dance direction is awesome.
Is it Allu Arjun?
I'll tell you, Father, this is a song, right? Supposedly, highly touted, all LED lights and all flickering in the background.
It's bakwas. I tell you, the movie to me seems like an absolute waste of money. Absolute waste of money.
Yeah. Well, actually, Allu Arjun's Gana, C.T. Mar, is like this. And check out the dance moves over here. And there's also, I think, dance moves with Prabhudeva's Cheles only, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. DSP song. Here you go. It's coming up right now. This actually is a Telugu version of it from this movie called...
Is it the same movie in Telugu also?
No. It's some Telugu movie is different.
Acha.
This movie is called DJ.
Who's the hero?
Allu Arjun.
Oh, my favorites.
Check out the dance over here, Fatani.
Allu Arjun, man. What else?
Let's go. And that, that heroine Hegde.
Pooja Hegde. I don't care about the heroine. Oh God, this guy can dance, man. Although, are you showing us the song?
City Mar, City Mar, City Mar, City Mar. NTR, ANR, Mega Star, Nene Chuste, Whistle Star. City Mar, City Mar, City Mar.
And of course, Bajan, we're going to play a little bit of the song right now. Father, what do you think? Should we play a song for them?
Well, you know, Bajan, if you contrast, right? I mean, I don't know. I think Allu Arjun for me is a treat to watch. I would love to just watch his dancing. You can't. It's like a treat, Bajan, when you watch his dancing. But compare it and contrast it with Salman Khan.
Okay, so here you go. So we'll play a little bit of the song for you guys. You can check the video of it right now, Bajan. So here you go.
Hey, Michael Jackson, Michael, na mind aripinchawule. Tyson visire panchla, na manase pelchawe.
Spider alle nettla, na bison chutte savule. Underworld donala, nuvu nanu dochesave. Hey,
Dimpulunna nee champal de de. Sompulunna aa ompul
at the ease with which he dances, dude.
That's why, Bhajan, of course, this is what you get when we do contrast and everything, Bhajan. Radhe is a total copy of all these things, Bhajan.
Acha.
And Wanted itself was a copy of a Telugu film.
Yeah, but you know what? Radhe...
People are waiting for them.
Radhe is a movie. Yeah, it's like it's sort of the kind of movie where you're wondering like why, you know, I want to go get a headache and I want to be able to like, but I liked the movie because I laughed. I'll tell you why I liked I liked the whole experience because there were such stupid dialogues in the movie and such stupid situations.
The thing is, Faltari likes to see people in pain. So everybody else over there were having a headache and feeling the pain.
Laughing.
And she was enjoying the feeling.
I was laughing and laughing when I was watching the movie. Well, the best part is, for me, I'll tell you what. It was an excuse to meet my bandhus. And it was an excuse to just say, okay, chal yaar. कोई फटा हुआ पिक्चर देख के आते हैं.
फटा हुआ पिक्चर देखना चाहिए.
टोटल फटा पोस्टर और निकला हीरो टाइप्स.
Well, okay. Coming to the close of our show already, Faltari, but upcoming movies, what really I'm looking forward to, 83 is one thing. Second thing, I'm looking forward to Ranbir Kapoor's movie which is coming up right now.
Ranbir Kapoor?
You don't know Shamshera?
No.
Oh, Shamshera is something I want to look out for. It's supposed to be coming out in June, Bandujan. And one more movie which I really want to look out for is, you know, I've not seen the other portions of it, the Horcom.
Horror rom-com.
Horcom, not horror.
Horror-com.
Horcom, the zombie movie.
Which one, man?
Now there's got to be something called as Bhoot Police, it seems. Saif Ali Khan.
What? Really?
Yeah.
That guy will really come up with these kind of movies. Go, gone.
Arjun Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, Jackie Fernandez, and Yami Gupta.
Oh, dude, you didn't talk about a movie called
Javed Jafri was there.
You didn't talk about a movie called Sardar Ka Grandson.
Is it also a good one?
It just released.
Kya baat hai?
It just released the movie.
Arjun Kapoor.
Arjun Kapoor.
Rakulpreet Singh.
Rakulpreet Singh, Arjun Kapoor, and it's got, I think, even...
John Abraham also.
Yeah, it's got a pretty good star cast. And what the story is
Netflix,
that...
Netflix, man. It's going to come on Netflix, by the way.
Yeah, and there's some good songs in the movie also.
Signing off with that song. How about the father?
Which song do you want to play?
From the movie Sardar Grandson. What is it?
Grandson. So it's got Aditi Rao Hydari. It's got Soni Razdan. It's got Kavaljeet Singh.
Sardar Ka Grandson is what it's called.
Yeah, and what is her name? That lady.
It's a Kashvi Nair's movie, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a female director.
Yeah, so do you want a romantic song or do you want like a Dick Chack song?
Dick Chack. Do you think it's a question to ask me, Faltwani?
Okay, here you go.
इसी के साथ बंजा हम लोग बोलने वाले हैं आप लोगों को enjoy this particular song. Faltwani, you got to unmute your thing so you can actually play it.
Sorry.
Thank you. I said Dick Chack song.
It'll start. Wait, man. I think it's Dick Chack.
Well, by the time the beat drops, we're going to drop off from you guys. Telling you good night, Shabba Khair, and Pyar Bhara.
Mwah.
Namaskar, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम के Taking Stock Tuesday में. Who's this? Hello.
Thank you, this is Prakash, and I have heard. I've been listening everything, but I think there is one song, such a good song, that should be translated and sent to every language in the world.
Which one?
It will bring Bahish and Swarg to this world. The song is, तू हिंदू बनेगा ना मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औरत है इंसान बनेगा.
Perfect, sir.
कृष्णा ने तो हमें बख्शी थी एक ही धरती, हमने कहीं भारत कहीं ईरान बनाया.
हाँ सर.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling in, Prakash साहब. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में.
Hello, who's this? Hi. Hello.
You're
Hi.
on the air.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, you're on the air, sir.
Hi, you're on the air. Who's this?
Take care.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, who's this?
Hello.
Hi, who's this? You're on air.
Oh, सरबजीत बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ सरबजीत, कैसे हैं आप?
बस ठीक हो. ये राधा मूवी क्या बनाया है उन्होंने?
अच्छा लगा आपको?
बढ़िया है.
Okay, good.
बढ़िया है. हाँ सर, करेक्ट.
और क्या, मैं देख के रो रहा था.
हाँ, exactly. सही बात है, सही बात है. We feel your pain.
ना, जैसे उन्होंने घर में जैसे हम
हाँ
मूवी बनाई है।
हाँ घर में बैठ के, यस एग्जैक्टली। लॉकडाउन में किया था और क्या।
हाँ
बोलो बोलो।
पता नहीं कर के रहे हैं, करने उनका कोई आइडिया बन नहीं रहा था।
एग्जैक्टली आई टोटली एग्री विद यू सर, यू आर राइट अबाउट दैट। हम भी ऐसे ही सोचते हैं, वही हमने फीडबैक भी दिया लोगों को।
वो
प्लस ये है ना, उनकी अभी ना जो हिंदी मूवी का है ना स्टोरी लाइन ना अच्छा नहीं है। जो दूसरी जो अपना साउथ की मूवी है वो उनकी स्टोरी लाइन थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट होती है।
Yes, exactly. They have lost creativity right now.
Correct.
For some reason.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
But sir, Sardeep sir, thank you so much for calling us. And please, sunte rahega, we are going to be signing off right now. Our show is going to be ending into the top of the hour. But this song we're going to play for you guys, Sardar Ka Grandson, something we're looking forward to actually. It's
already released.
Must be on Netflix already. If you want to go watch it, go watch it. I'm sure, but it's Netflix release. किसी के साथ good night.
शबक है
and a प्यार भरा
मत तेरी बेकाबू जीत ले जमाना बढ़ के ओ बंदया तेरे नाल रब दे ओ बंदया तेरे नाल रब दे पैरों में छाले हैं जो देंगे उजाले तुझको पैरों में छाले हैं जो देंगे उजाले तुझको करके इरादा चल दे ओ बंदया तेरे नाल रब दे।
I'm Arjun Kapoor and you're listening to me on Radio D Hotties, where the entertainment just got hotter.
This is your darling Faltu Rani, and let me tell you, Bandhajani, that all these beautiful tracks that you're listening to right